Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora, and in our GDPI series, this is another video in which we are going to talk a bit about marketing. When you are going to say that I am going to, let's say, MBA in marketing, what kind of questions can be asked to you, right? And how to answer those, what qualities or traits you should have in order to tackle those questions. Now, before I even talk about those questions, there are a few things that you should know. That if you are going to do MBA in marketing, what kind of job are you aiming for? Do you know that? What kind of roles are offered after marketing? What things? So first of all, let's get a little insight into that, and then we will understand that whether you are made for MBA marketing and what qualities you have in you in order to align them to what the people are looking for. Right. So let's understand that first. Now, when I talk about this type of rules offered, now in our marketing, there are two types of rules. First are sales rules, the second are non-sales. So when I talk about the sales rules out there, these are the different categories: inside sale, outside sale, sales support, client services, lead generation, lead development. So though the names are quite self-explanatory, but still I'll just give a brief idea. Inside, basically the sales is divided into two categories: B2B and B2C. One of the major questions that I get from people is that I am introvert, so will I be able to do sales? Right? I am introvert. Will I be able to tackle marketing jobs? So the answer is first of all, yes. You do not need to be a very good, extrovert. You don't need to be an extrovert in order to excel at sales profiles, right? What everyone needs is good communication. Are you someone who is good in communication? Right? And specifically in it, you need to be a very good listener, according to me. So if you have this quality inside you, being a good listener makes you aware what the other person would want to hear from you, right? And this is one of the major factor which helps in sales, right? So good communication is that one skill. Second skill that you can say that you are good in sales marketing is conceiving the ideas. When I say conceiving ideas, always giving the new pitches, new ideas in order to make new, let's say, brand marketing, how to market your pitch, your ideas, and everything. So this comes under conceiving ideas. So if you are good in these two things, I bet you can do any type of sales. It does not matter you are an introvert or an extrovert. Yes, if I talk about door to day door sales or somewhat on not that lines, you might not be that comfortable. But then there are some sales like inside sales where customer comes to you, you have to explain the product and everything, and this is something you can easily do, right? So if you are going to target the sales profile, make sure that you are finding your qualities that revolve around these, not exactly these, but revolve around these. Tell this to interviewers that I have these skills in me, and I am going to look into, I am looking forward to go into sales profile in one of these categories, and then it would substantiate what you are saying. It will make you look like someone who has come with a knowledge, right? ऐसा उनको प्रतीत होगा, सीधी सी बात है। उन्हें लगेगा पता कि यार जो ये बंदा कुछ बोल रहा है, इसे पता है, he is making sense, right? Okay. Let's talk about नॉन सेल्स प्रोफाइल्स. दो दे आर वेरी वेरी वाइड, और ये सिर्फ ऐसी तीन कैटेगरीज है जो मैंने लिखी हैं, लेकिन इसके अंदर हजारों कैटेगरीज और हैं, हजारों कैटेगरीज, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, राइट? नाउ व्हाट आर दोस हजारों कैटेगरीज एंड व्हाट इज कंसल्टेंसी? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट. Consultancy and analyst, first of all, are a bit different. Analyst is someone who collects the data and represents it. Consultancy gives you the actionables, that what could be done, right? Now, what it takes to become somewhat, when you are good here, right? You need to be very good with your system, your computer knowledge. You have to be very good with Excel. You have to be very good with PPT tools. You should be aware of tools like R. If you know Python, etc. These are some, these will give you some brownie points, right? So these are some of the Minitab are such tools, right? So these are something that might assist you, right? Having a knowledge of this regression, correlation, these terms are, if are known to you, these will make you look good. Okay. Again, in a non-sales profile, you need to be excelling at these things, right? Majorly. Secondly, you should be good with research purpose, right? When we talk about research and consultancy and analyst, research is of two types: primary and secondary, right? So just read a bit around it, get to know that you are good with system, you are good on sitting, you are persistent enough. ठीक है, use this word persistent, that you are persistent enough for your targets, right? Until or unless you are able to break through, until or unless you are not able to break through, you do not rest. So persistence could be one of the keywords here, right? So try to find your qualities around this. Digital marketing is one of the most booming market now, which for which you will need to know SEO, SEM. There are a lot many things covered in digital marketing: Google Analytics, Instagram marketing, email marketing. There are many things in which you can go specifically, but overall digital marketing is again something that might help you through. So these are some of the roles which are provided majorly after a marketing, and you can actually use in order to look like someone who has knowledge of these things, right? I hope I am making sense. Okay, so you do not need to know a lot about this, but if you know just a brief of everything and you are able to align your activities with these, it would be very, very helpful, right? So this was the main small video in which I am telling you about the roles you need to target. Now I will talk, and now in the next video I am going to talk about what questions are asked in marketing when you say marketing. For example, the question, I'll give you some brief example. Guess estimate is one of the things that is very famous in interviews. We will talk about that in our next video, right? Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.